Veterans Stadium. Philadelphia Stadium, home of the Philadelphia Phillies from 1971 to 2003, and the Philadelphia Eagles. The stadium hosted 3 World Series in 1980, which the Phillies won, in 1983, which they lost to the Orioles, and 1993, which they lost to the Blue Jays. It hosted 2 Major League All-Star games in 1976 and 1996, 2 NFL championship games, 1981 and 2003, and 17 Army-Navy football games. This is the original Liberty Bell atop the 700 level of Veterans Stadium, and has now been restored and placed in front of the home plate entrance to Citizens Bank Park. This is the view from just behind home plate. Home plate, Veterans Stadium. First base. Second base. Third base. Pitcher's mound. And the west goalpost. I did not find the east goalpost. Statue of a Phillies player. Statue of an Eagles kicker. The stadium markers are in Lot U. Eagles statue. Veterans Memorial. The stadium was named in honor of U.S. veterans. Philadelphia Phillies statue. Connie Mack statue, which stood outside of Veterans Stadium. Philadelphia A's Wall of Fame.